Boston Logan International Airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall dim the Airlines for takeoff. This is the procedure Z9 flight. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall be taking off to Porto Delgado. Please check once again that your seatbelts are fully fastened. Thank you.
Boston, Massachusetts. Today, I will embark on another journey across the Atlantic Ocean to Cabo Verde. On this trip, I will visit 3 islands: Sao Vicente, Santo Antao, and Santiago.
I get you, man. I got you. I'm sitting up here by myself.
This video marks the beginning of my Sao Vicente adventure, and it is part 1 of my Sao Vicente experience. Stay tuned for more in this series. This is an easy trip from North America to Cabo Verde. Consider visiting to experience Cabo Verde's beautiful islands and unique charm firsthand. I traveled with SATA Airlines from Boston to Ponta Delgada in the Azores, and then from Ponta Delgada to the Nelson Mandela International Airport. After arriving in Praia, I spent a restful night at the VIP hotel before continuing my journey to Sao Vicente. Stay tuned for an upcoming video featuring my review of the VIP hotel, as well as other amazing accommodations I discovered during my Cabo Verde adventures. I'm sure Cabo Verde has many wonderful accommodations to choose from, but I'm sharing my personal experiences and recommendations from my own travels. The VIP hotel is truly magnificent. Everything from its prime location to its thoughtful layout, exceptional staff, and outstanding service exceeded my expectations. It's a gem that perfectly embodies the warmth and hospitality of Cabo Verde. I traveled from Praia to Sao Vicente with Cabo Verde Airlines, a first-time experience for me. The staff at the ticket counter and check-in were fantastic, making my interactions with them truly enjoyable. I wasn't surprised by the exceptional service I received. It is the standard here, and this is to be expected, because this is what most people do here. They understand the importance of outstanding service, and they consistently deliver. Cabo Verde Airlines offers a seamless travel experience. Booking is convenient, with options to reserve online, as I did, or in person at the airline's airport's ticket office. Finally, I made it to Sao Vicente, where the iconic statue of Cesaria Evora stands firm, proud, and tall. But only if I could go back in time, and if time would allow. Cesaria Evora would have been someone I would have enjoyed meeting. I would love to have met this icon. She reminds me of someone, and so much more. Words cannot explain. Legend.
As we won, Cesaria Evora, a gift to this world. Intentional or not, the path was hers. She was the voice of her island and the window to its soul. She raised its visibility and showed it to the world. Was not born into riches, but was a diamond in the rough. Struggled to take care of a family, but that was good enough. She got what she was given and gave us what we need. Now she is in heaven, reaping the benefits from her seeds. with a treasure of impression that she left in our care. Murals of the life she lived are now everywhere.
Finally, I made it to the heart of Mindelo, right in the belly of the city. Just look at this beauty. Simply amazing. I am mesmerized by its beauty. The charm of this stunning city is simply breathtaking. As I reflect on my incredible journey across Cabo Verde, I hope sharing my personal experiences and impressions will make a difference and inspire you to plan your own visit and uncover the unique charm of Cape Verde for yourself. I had heard so much about Sao Vicente, and I simply wanted to experience it for myself, and wow, was it worth it. I was not disappointed. My experience was everything I'd hoped for and more.
Sweet home, she has covered every corner in this her distant shores. From Mindelo to the world, at age 16, no ordinary girl. She is a Grammy award-winning artist who put her family first. She's the fire that burns like a flame, a steady heartbeat that guides us.
I had the pleasure of staying in the heart of Mindelo at the exceptional Hotel Porto Grande. As I've mentioned before, Cabo Verde's greatest strength lies in its incredible people. This hotel truly embodies that spirit. The service, food, and staff were all top-notch, with every individual contributing to an outstanding overall experience. From the bar, ready to serve a perfect cocktail, to the beautifully set tables for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, every detail was meticulously taken care of. After enjoying a delicious meal, you can unwind by the pool, soaking up the sun, taking a refreshing swim, or simply relaxing. Plus, if you're looking to stay active, the hotel's gym is fully equipped and ready for you. I'll be sharing more about my gym experience later in the video. Overall, my stay at Hotel Porto Grande was nothing short of amazing. If you're planning a trip to Mindelo, I highly recommend this hotel. It was now time to walk the streets of Mindelo and to see the city and its amazing people. My first impression of Mindelo was nothing short of spectacular. I love to see the smiles on people's faces that makes my already great day that much greater. People are here from all around the world. I met some friends from Switzerland, and I also met a family from Holland, Tyrell, Tanisha, Monique, and her husband. We were all visiting Sao Vicente for the first time. The following day, we met again in Santo Antao. Beautiful islands. Despite my limited Creole, I was warmly received by the people, many of whom spoke some English. What struck me most was their willingness to connect and share their stories. I was surrounded by beautiful souls and incredible people, making my experience truly unforgettable. During your visit to Sao Vicente, a must-see attraction is the Sea Museum, Museu Do Mar. Museu Do Mar, steeped in history, it's the third most visited museum in Cabo Verde, only behind Tarrafal, concentration camp, and Praia Ethnographic Museum. With 3 floors packed with exhibits, I'll only give you a glimpse. You have to experience it for yourself. Trust me on this one. Cesaria, Evora, a true legend. I may not remember all of your names, and though names may fade, your faces will stay with me forever. As my journey unfolds, I'm excited to immerse myself deeper into the culture and share more inspiring stories of resilience, heart, and triumph.
Lead me to the islands, sunshine and sea, where the taste of cachupa will set my soul free. in the warmth of Cabo Verde and its island breeze, where the wind blows gentle through the trees. A sense of calmness settles deep inside, echoes of joy my heart cannot hide. In the silence of movements I could feel the shores. Anew is dawning in the opening of new doors. I can hear a voice saying, make yourself at home, guiding you forward to a place where you can roam. Lead me to the islands, sunshine and sea, where the taste of cachupa will set my soul free. In the warmth of Cabo Verde and its island breeze, where the wind blows gentle through the trees. A shelter from life's turmoil, I found my way through the darkness. A new dawn breaks the day. With every step, a path unfolds, a journey of self-discovery where love never grows old. Lead me to the islands, sunshine and sea, where the taste of cachupa will set my soul free. In the warmth of Cabo Verde and its island breeze.
Mindelo's culinary scene is vibrant, with countless restaurants to explore. I met up with my friend Mario, and we decided to grab lunch at Nautilus, a waterfront restaurant in the heart of the city. As you can see, the outdoor setup is simple yet charming. I opted for the octopus, while Mario chose the cachupa, a local favorite national dish, a dish I also enjoy very much. The portions were generous, and the food was exceptional. The service all around was great, and I really enjoyed it. We left completely satisfied. So if you're visiting Mindelo, I highly recommend adding Nautilus to your list of restaurants to try. I'll be sharing more restaurant reviews in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. I will see you again in part 2 of Sao Vicente Discovery Series. Another great day in Cabo Verde, and as it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Until we meet again, the journey continues. Till go.